Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy with only sugar and water. First, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients together over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. This initial step is crucial for a smooth candy texture. Ensure all sugar crystals are gone before the mixture begins to boil. Once the sugar is dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Allow the mixture to boil steadily over medium-high heat. Do not stir the syrup while it is boiling, as this can cause crystallization. Continue cooking until the thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees F, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature ensures your candy will be brittle. As soon as the syrup reaches 300 degrees F, remove it from the heat. This is the moment to quickly and carefully stir in any flavorings or food coloring you desire. Work swiftly, as the candy will begin to set. Pour the hot liquid onto a heat-safe silicone mat or a lightly greased baking sheet. Spread it evenly if you want thinner pieces. Let the candy cool undisturbed for at least 1 hour, or until it is completely firm and brittle. Do not touch it while it's hot. Once fully cooled, you can easily break the large sheet into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Store your homemade hard candy in an airtight container at room temperature. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.